Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to design faster in Figma using AI? Here's how to use Claude to speed up your entire design workflow. So let's get started. Claude doesn't directly integrate with Figma, but you can use it to generate UI ideas, layouts, and content that you build inside Figma. Open Claude and ask something like design a modern landing page for a SaaS website. Claude will give you sections, layout structure, UI components. You can also ask Claude to convert it into a wireframe layout. It will break it into header section, features, footer. This becomes your blueprint in Figma. Then open Figma and create a frame. Add sections from Claude's layout. Use shapes, text, and components. You're basically turning AI ideas into real design. And you can ask Claude for actual content as well, such as write hero section text for a fitness app, create CTA button text, or write onboarding screen copy, then paste it directly into Figma. You can also use Claude for color ideas, UX improvements, multiple design variations, etc. And that's how you can use Claude with Figma. It won't design for you, but it will make your workflow 10 times faster. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.